Hello folks, please stay till the end because we have some great footage to show. Don't overlook the last review. Critically important. Trust me, don't miss it. Get all the juicy facts there. Introducing the Huawei MatePad Pro 1124. Sleek, sexy, and super model sized. In the right corner, the Xiaomi Pad 6 flexing those muscles with some extra pounds. MatePad Pad, glass plus metal. Pad 6, Gorilla Glass 3 plus aluminum. No vibrating. Rebels, you know. OLED versus IPS LCD, gourmet meal versus instant noodles. MatePad Pro dances at 120 Hz, but Xiaomi's Pad 6 parties harder with 144 Hz. Both are 11 inches, but the MatePad Pro wins with a bigger screen and more pixels. Harmony OS 4.0 versus Android 13 iPad 14. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 875 gig works out its own set of muscles, while the Kirin 9000S shows off its octa-core capabilities. And the GPU showdown pits the Adreno 650 against the Melio 910. The MatePad Pro has storage choices that will make your laptop green with NV and 12 gigs of RAM to shake a leg. Even if the MatePad Pro's RAM is playing 4D chess, Xiaomi's Pad 6 has a decent 6 or 8 gigs. Compared to the Pad 6, the MatePad Pro has 13 megapixels wide and 8 megapixels ultra wide, like holding a Hollywood movie in your hands. Both shoot in 4K at 30 frames per second. The front-facing camera on the MatePad Pro is 16 megapixels, but the one on the Pad 6 is 8 megapixels, as if you had to choose between a high-resolution masterpiece and a fast selfie. A plethora of stereo speakers. While the MatePad Pro has 6 speakers, the Pad 6 only has 4. The wireless life is all that matters, therefore, I'm sorry, but there is no 3.5mm jack here. The MatePad Pro and Pad 6 include Wi-Fi 6, which provides constant speed. The MatePad Pro's Bluetooth 5.2 is reliable, while the Pad 6 offers the same. The MatePad Pro positions while using GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, and QZSS. Pad 6 keeps secrets. The MatePad Pro supports USB Type-C 3.1 Gen 1, whereas the Pad 6 uses 3.2 Gen 1. They compete with Face Unlock, accelerometers, gyroscopes, and proximity sensors. The MatePad Pro has a compass to keep you oriented in tech. Pad 6 has its own important sensors. A sensor symphony makes tablet use wonderful. Who needs keys when you can open your world at a glance? The MatePad Pro's 8,300 mAh battery and lightning fast 66-watt wired supercharge are its crowning features. Pad 6's 8840 mAh battery and 33-watt wired rapid charge capabilities are commendable, however. Hurry on and cross the finish line. The MatePad Pro comes in green, blue, white, and black. In comparison, the Pad 6 has the classic blue, gold, and gray. Both feature smart pens and detachable keyboards. The price tag, the finale. The MatePad Pro with 512 gigs storage and 12 gigs RAM costs $663, while the 256 gigs variant costs $592. Budget-conscious Pad 6 users may choose from 3 RAM configurations, $254 to $303. Select a champion carefully. You are now informed, DigiDuelers. Here we have 2 tablets that are going head-to-head, the Huawei MatePad Pro 11 2024 and the Xiaomi Pad 6. If you were to choose between the strong Pad 6 and the delicate MatePad Pro, which would you choose? Subscribing and commenting will ensure that DigiDuelers continues to provide you with tech fights. For the time being, stay online.